On today's video, we're going to swap out this multi-port valve right here at our SAM filter. So what we're going to do first is just remove the top. So right here you can see that our spider gasket is pretty worn out, and this valve was also leaking at the top. So we're just going to go ahead and swap it out. So here's our new valve that we're going to install, the same one. So now just go ahead and remove the fittings here, our 2-inch fittings, right here at our unions. Just go ahead and loosen them up. Need some big channel locks or big pipe wrench, but I prefer the channel locks. So Justin here is going to go ahead and remove all 5 fittings. So we have water in our filter. We're going to go ahead and let that drain out. Takes a couple minutes before we put our new one in. So here's our new multi-port valve. We're going to go ahead and lube up our O-rings. And then we're just going to install this the same way we removed it, in reverse order. After our filter has drained out, we're going to go ahead and line everything up. So I'm going to first put the fittings onto the filter itself, and after we snug those up, we go ahead and put in our inlet and outlet to our
you don't want to strip these, so make sure it goes on
pull and pull. Snug them up. You don't want to tighten these up yet.
So we got 2 there to the filter. Now let's go ahead and snug them up.
Snug it up.
Good channel locks.
And after everything is all lined up, and this, we're going to go ahead and get some channel locks and snug them up. Nice and snug.
Nice and snug. Okay, let's go ahead and test
Now
it
let's
out.
go ahead and test it out and check for leaks.
Let's check the leaks.
There it is there. No leaks. Thank you for watching my tutorial.
No leaks.
Don't forget to subscribe and like.